So hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Artcrafts and Origami with Riya. Today Riya have presented this rose painting because roses are something that I love to have as in my gardens as flowers, and so it is the most favorite subject to paint for me. So here is the painting. I have not done any sketching because I thought just by the brush strokes I could make the painting. So I'm making it. The reference photo will be given in the description box. Check that photo out so that you could just make a similar kind of rose. Roses are actually something which I love the most. I have lots of rose plants in my home. I love roses and gardening as my hobby. So most of the time it happens that I bring rose plants despite of the fact that I know that this is a place where summer time is more and winter comes less. But during winter I enjoy my garden very much. Of course it's not a garden, but it's a rooftop garden, and I just love spending time over there, watching the roses, clicking pictures of them, and many more. This is not the picture of my home rose, but still, I have taken this picture from a person who has clicked this picture by his own self, and I have given his link in the description box too, so that you can check out his channel. Not channel, actually website, so that you can take reference pics from there too. Those are royalty free, so you can use on your channel too. So see, I have used many strokes of white to cover up the gray shades, because firstly I thought that I would sketch it out with normal brush strokes, but then later I realized that those strokes are needed to be covered up with red, pink and white. So I limited my palette with white, red, pink and orange. Believe me or not, when you check the pictures closely from the reference photos, you will recognize that all the portions doesn't have the complete pink color. Few portions are having a normal orangish shade, or they are having some bright white reflections which are just spreading the lights and making the rose look more realistic and more beautiful. You may think that you can cover up with the pink color. When we were small we used to do those, but now we are not doing it because we want those highlights, because those highlights will bring your rose to life. And with these colors we have used the dark red and brownish shades sometimes. So keep on watching for a little time. Let's see it with the song and a little stop to the voiceover. Hope you all love this video and enjoy the process of painting this rose. I really enjoyed making it as if I am the god creating this painting. This is the fun fact about painting, I think, because this process makes us recognize how beautiful these creatures of earth are, and when we paint them step by step slowly with the processes as if we are developing them from a minute scratch, from few colors of palette to something which we really love and we see around us. So keep on watching. And thank you for watching this video so far this much, and keep on supporting by subscribing, liking my videos, share with your friends if you really think that it deserves some more viewers. my time for a little voiceover. Over here, this petals which you all are seeing, this side of petals, which we say the pink, like pinkish shade petals you are seeing. Over here, when I was painting, I realized that each petal was having their own shades. It was not like a single color on each petal. Each petal had different shades of pink, red, orange, white. Over here, this petal you could see, first I kept giving a little layer because I was very scared of adding a deep layer upon it. So each time I made it, I made very light layer over there so that I could cover it up with a beautiful petal look, because I didn't wanted to make it bad. I wanted to make it very good and realistic kind of, just like in the reference photo. So over there I let it dry so that I could see the original color which is coming out, and that time I used other colors to make the other petals. And when that petal dried up, I realized now it was ready for the next layering. So I again moved upon to the next layering, which is a little reddish color shades, and then upon that a little more pinkish. Let it dry, then again add some white highlights to make it look more and more realistic. The white highlights are the most important thing which you have to look close with to the reference pics and make the white highlights more prominent to make your drawing more realistic and more approachable. So keep on watching. Time for some other song. Before that, you can see over here I'm using violet shades to cover it up. Normally we use blues upon red to make this violet, but over here I didn't pre-mixed it in the palette. I mixed it upon the paper where I have already given the red shades. Upon that I gave the bluish shades which make the violet strokes. And now it's time for a song.